My name is Robert Nunnery. I'm a attorney in Moore County, North Carolina. I'm an assistant district attorney in prosecutorial District 29. That includes Moore and Hoke counties. Prior to going to law school, I was a school teacher teaching civics and economics in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Growing up, I've always wanted to be a lawyer, but kind of what got me to be a lawyer and follow through and go to law school was meeting my boss, my current boss, District Attorney Mike Harden. So if I was talking to a new lawyer or a law student, I would say if you want to be in the courtroom, arguing from a judge, try cases beyond just motions, you can go to a small town and you can do that. In a rural county, you might be the sole prosecutor in the courtroom. So you're doing the DWIs, you're doing the domestic violence cases, you're doing the speeding tickets, you're doing the larcenies. So you have that chance to dive in and do a wide spectrum of cases early in your career. You know, you'll get in there and you'll have that courtroom experience that will be invaluable as you progress in your career, as you maybe long-term you do move to an urban area. Maybe you do go to a city. You come in comfortable talking in front of a jury, comfortable talking in front of a judge. That courtroom experience will be what sets you apart. So I would pitch that to law students. Go to a rural county and you'll get that experience that you might not get in a larger city or an urban area. I've developed some friends I didn't know prior to moving to Moore full-time. For a while I found myself going to Raleigh and Charlotte, visiting friends, but over time I developed some really meaningful relationships with attorneys, people who don't practice law, so don't work with every day, but just developing good friendships. And I do think Moore County is my last stop in life. I want to stay there, continue to grow there, have a family there, have kids there, but just good people who look out for each other, who take care of each other. So, if you're interplaying, looking at whether it be a nonprofit that does legal work in a community or working for the public, a public defender's office or a DA's office, you can keep personal bills low because cheaper housing, cheaper cost of living, meet those thresholds. And I'm hoping before I'm 40, I'm debt free.